Hello everyone! Today I am excited to take you on a journey to discover how we as global citizens are working together to build a better future through the Sustainable Development Goals, also known as SDGs.
The SDGs are 17 goals created by the United Nations in 2015. They aim to solve major global problems like poverty, hunger, inequality, and climate change by the year 2030. Do you know the idea was conceptualized as Millennium Development Goals during the Earth Summit in 1992 and were adopted in 2015 to achieve the 2030 agenda.
These goals are important because they focus on making the world safer, fairer, and greener for everyone, everywhere. From the environment to education, the SDGs cover it all.
Here you can see all 17 SDGs from ending poverty to achieving clean energy and quality education. Each goal tackles a specific issue, but together they work like a team to create a lasting change.
Goal 1 is no poverty. Did you know over 700 million people around the world still live on less than $2 a day? Ending poverty means making sure everyone has access to basic needs like food, shelter, and education.
Goal 2 is zero hunger. 1 in every 9 people go to bed hungry each night. By promoting sustainable farming and reducing food waste, we can help feed everyone.
Goal 3 is good health and well-being. Global life expectancy has increased by over 6 years since 2000. Healthcare, mental well-being, and disease prevention are essential for a strong society.
Goal 4 is quality education. Over 260 million children are still out of school worldwide. Education opens doors to better jobs, gender equality, and innovation.
Goal 5 is gender equality. Women make up 2/3 of the world's 796 million illiterate people. Equal opportunities for all genders are critical for development and peace.
Goal 6 is clean water and sanitation. 1 in 3 people globally don't have access to safe drinking water. Access to clean water and toilets is a human right, not a privilege.
Goal 7 is affordable and clean energy. Around 675 million people still live without electricity. Clean energy like solar and wind helps reduce population and fight climate change.
Goal 8 is decent work and economic growth. Over 60% of the workers worldwide have informal jobs with no protection. Everyone deserves fair wages, safe working conditions, and opportunities to grow.
Goal 9 is industry, innovation, and infrastructure. Every dollar invested in infrastructure returns $2.2 in economic benefits. Modern roads, technology, and industries can transform communities.
Goal 10 is reduce inequalities. The richest 10% earn up to 40% of the global income, while the poorest earn just 2%. We must create a world where everyone has equal chances, regardless of who they are or where they live.
Goal 11 is sustainable cities and communities. More than half of the world's population lives in cities. Cities should be safe, green, and affordable for everyone.
Goal 12 is responsible consumption and production. If the global population reaches 9.8 billion by 2050, we'll need almost 3 Earths to sustain current lifestyles. Reducing waste and using resources wisely protects our future.
Goal 13 is climate action. The last 8 years have been the hottest on record. We must take urgent steps to cut emissions and protect our planet.
Goal 14 is life below water. Every minute, a garbage truck's worth of plastic ends up in the ocean. Clean oceans are essential for our survival and the survival of marine life.
Goal 15 is life on land. We have lost nearly 100 million hectares of forest in the last 20 years. We must protect forests, wildlife, and biodiversity.
Goal 16 is peace, justice, and strong institutions. 1 in 4 children live in countries affected by conflict or disaster. Justice and peace help create fair societies where everyone feels safe.
Goal 17 is partnerships for the goals. Global problems need global teamwork. Governments, businesses, and people must work together to achieve all the SDGs.
What kind of projects and youngsters do to positively impact the SDGs?
According to me, projects like community gardening, food recycling drives, spreading health awareness, educating and tutoring, and helping underprivileged children will build impact on humanity.
Thank you for listening. The Sustainable Development Goals show us that a better world is possible if we all do our part. Let's act now for a fairer, cleaner, and more peaceful future. Dream a world where all can thrive with hope and goals for 2030 alive. Clean the earth, let kindness flow. where every child can learn and grow. Change begins with what you do. A better world starts now with each one of you.